Hey there, my Langley leopards. Today we're going to do something cool and different. Last week you guys made a abstract, weird geometric project. Today we're going to do another weird abstract project, and that means it doesn't have to look real. So what you're going to do is you are going to fold your paper in half, hot dog style, and we are going to make half of an organic shape. And remember, we've been talking about our organic shapes, and those are the shapes that do not follow rules and don't really have names. Now, from your folded side, you have, or on your paper, you have open side and a folded side. This is important. Open, folded. From the folded side right here, you are going to start from the fold, and you are going to draw a curvy, pointy, weird line. Now look how I'm trying to take up all of my space, okay? So this is my paper. I know that it's on white paper, so it's hard for you to see. But you are gonna keep going, and you are gonna make course, yours doesn't have to look just like mine. So now what I have is I have half of a shape. So this is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to open up my paper and I'm going to fold it again. Just like this. Now, you guys can see my shape through my paper, okay? So what you're going to do is you are going to trace what you see. It might be hard from home, you can't see it, but you're going to trace exactly what you see. You're not going to try to draw it the same. You're going to trace it because we want to get the same on both sides. Right? So now I'm going to open it up again, and look how I can see that shape again. So I'm going to trace it again. All right? After you trace it, you're going to have this organic weird shape, okay? So, inside this shape, you may begin to add patterns and lines. Now, we haven't really talked about patterns yet this year, but we have before, and we know that a pattern is something that repeats. Now, you guys are smart third graders, and you've been doing art with me for many years now. So when you make patterns, you want to make interesting patterns to make your art better. So inside this weird organic shape, you're not going to draw a face, you're not going to put hearts, you're going to make a pattern. And I want you to do this with pencil. Do it with pencil. So inside my shape, I want the same on both sides. So maybe here I'm going to do just a simple straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line pattern, okay? Over here, I'm gonna do the same pattern. Now, if all I did throughout my whole organic shape was that straight line pattern, that would be boring. So maybe in here, I'm gonna repeat this weird wavy line pattern I have going on, and maybe in the middle, I'll do these little lines. So now my pattern's starting to become a little more interesting. Now maybe I want to have some zigzags. So I'm going to do some zigzags that are close, and then I'm going to have some zigzags that are far. So what I mean is close, close, space, close, close, space, close, close, space. All right? So that is starting to look a little more interesting. So all you're going to do is you're going to continue to make some patterns inside this organic shape. Next week, we're going to finish it together. So you don't have to finish it today. We're going to finish it next week. So you're going to fold your paper, and you're going to draw half of your shape from the folded side, and you're making an organic shape. So you want to maybe watch this video twice because I've given you a lot of directions. We'll be doing this on live Zoom class, so if you need help, I'll help you. I'm so proud of you guys. Keep up the great work. Bye.